Hello everybody. So today I'm going to be showing you what I'm packing in my carry-on for Disney World. And Holly's too.
Yep.
So I'm going to Disney World in 3 days.
I'm so excited.
So if you watched my video yesterday, you could hear what I'm packing in my suitcase and what we're packing in our suitcase. So let's get started with our plane carry-on. So I'll do an item and then Holly will do an item.
Yeah,
so my first item.
She is ready.
It's ridiculous, I know. Yeah. This is my teddy bear who I've had since I was 2 and I can't sleep without. His nickname's Floppy Neck and he's Teddy and he's a mess, but I can't do anything without him. And I can't survive more than like 30 minutes without him.
Yeah, so he has a ripped neck.
So I've got to bring him in my plane carry-on. Yeah. Holly, what's your first item?
My first item is, this is my Moxie doll, Nev. I love her so much. She's pretty. He also does my little people. I love little people. And Moxie.
Even though she's 9 years old.
You know, I'm 9 years old. I like playing.
All right. My second item is my Welly Wisher, Ashlyn. And
she
has her own plane bag too. Cause
she has her own
so fit if she didn't want one.
Yeah,
so and then she doesn't have any outfits except that one. So yeah, and I'm not gonna show you everything inside.
Well, can I show my luggage tag?
Yeah, we'll show our luggage tag. Oh. And then this is Ashlyn. She's the Welly Wisher.
She's in her gymnastic leotard.
And then also we're gonna show you our luggage tags with these. Mine's like Minnie and Mickey driving a car.
This is Donald faking. This is Donald faking.
That's Donald faking. Holly, what's your next item?
This is my American Girl doll, Grace. She loves pears, but her hair is really, really messy. Yeah. She had pajamas on. We've been having that for years.
Right, now moving on to what's in our bag. So, my first thing in my bag is this really cute thing. I got it from Dollar Tree. It's like a little set kind of. It's like a stationery set. It's not a souvenir. And then I'm not gonna use it probably, but if it's just so cute, I couldn't resist because it's Disney.
So cute.
So I have Ariel, Cinderella, Rapunzel, and Belle on the front, and then there's the lines. I think they're right in the inside, and then it came with shoe pencils with the princesses.
I know, we feel like right about.
Don't worry, I don't like Disney princesses that much. I mean,
I love them. I love Disney princesses.
I mean, I like them, but
I love Disney princesses.
We have 2 pencils, and then it has an eraser with a castle on it, and it says
a
like
big Disney
and a pencil sharpener with Cinderella's face on it.
Yep.
We'll be doing this a lot.
Sorry, guys.
So I can put things back.
So she put it back in.
Right now.
Okay.
What's your next? What's your item?
Madeline!
Ooh, yeah.
So I got this at the Five Below. You want this? Yeah. It has so much Mad Libs in it.
Those will be very fun to do.
And that'll be very fun. My sister loves it. Yeah.
Okay, so my next item is Uno.
So we can both play. We can't make a mess on the plane.
I thought Uno would be pretty fun to do on the plane with Holly.
I don't know, get bored a lot.
Maybe a little messy.
I hope I don't.
I brought way too much, but I do with the plane ride there and back.
Because it's only 2 hours. Like
it's 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Holly, what's your next one?
Okay, don't fall out. But this is. I've said this, Julia.
Holly, it's the same station.
Yeah, but instead it's Mickey Mouse.
Let's see. What's your?
So, and there's a little eraser, a sharpener, and there's 2 pencils. Also, come on, there's a notebook too.
The story isn't what happened.
Yeah.
Can you not find the notebook?
Oh, here's a notebook, Mickey. Like emoji feeling.
It. Show them it on the inside.
So, this is kind of boring. Sorry.
It's Mickey's face. Okay. So, my next item is...
This is like a big...
So I have an adult coloring book there.
It's kind of relaxing.
And they take a long time with some markers. I thought that might be fun to do.
So I
like these markers because they're double-sided.
Band them up.
Yeah, they're all rubber. All right, Holly, what's your next one?
Oh, my Lion King playbill. And it says reading because we're playing school.
We were playing American Girls and Holly decided
this is our Lion King. Remember you're in the show Lion King? We got playbills. Yeah. And it's really entertaining to read.
Holly loves Holly likes reading random things.
Yes.
I read the park maps this morning.
Okay, on YouTube.
My next item. I thought a book might be good to read. So I have a book. It's a collector's guide.
And Lion King. Disney, you're going to Lion King, right?
It's the show.
It's a really good show.
I'm about maybe halfway through it.
Yes, very big book. It tells every Beanie Boo.
It says not every Beanie Boo, over 300 of them.
We got the Five Below again.
Yeah, that's what I also. In case you want it. Holly, what's your next item?
They have very good carryons, but I need a pick, and I have a Beanie Boo!
Even though Holly doesn't like Beanie Boos for some
reason,
she's
bring it. This is my favorite one I have.
So what's its name?
I don't know her name. I don't look at it a lot. This is Boo
Kiki.
Kiki. This is a little Kiki. I'm Kiki.
I know a lot of you may know her as Willow. I'm pretty sure it's the same Beanie Boo, just with 2 different names for some reason.
Hello.
Oh, and I got 3 Beanie Boos. I'm obsessed with these.
Oh my god, yeah. I'm not
It's your first time?
This is
like a new. This is a brand new Beanie Boo.
Did a lot of Beanie Boo videos.
This is Wilma, the platypus.
Wilma the platypus. She's. Oh my gosh, she has a crush on me.
She doesn't have a crush on you. She just loves you. This is Flippy the fish.
She's so adorable. She's so
And
pretty.
this is Rainbow the poodle, and they will all be coming on my trip with me.
Yeah, her 3 favorites she has.
All right. What's your next item? Show them all the maps.
Okay. Sorry, I might take a few minutes to do it. Okay, so these are all the maps of Disney. Here's Hollywood Studios.
Holly thought these would be cool.
Here is Magical Kingdom. Here is Animal Kingdom. Here's Epcot.
Cool.
Get my jacket.
So my next item. Ooh, we each have one of these. They're from CVS Pharmacy from last. I don't know if they still sell them, but
yeah,
we're gonna be and it will be great for. I know you can't bring water on the plane. You know what? Comment down below if you know a good way to bring water on the plane. And so
yeah, but unfortunately we can't bring it.
It's a squirt bottle, so if I'm hot in the park, because I'll use this at the park too, I can just mist myself off a little bit. And it has Minnie and Daisy.
Yeah, it's perfect. It works. So good for Disney.
And Holly, what's your next item? You don't need to show that. Holly, no, you don't need to show underwear.
I pick another.
Yeah, pick another. I don't know why that's.
Here's my sunglasses, and Disney could be really hard to see.
When we're getting off the plane and stuff, and also for the park, model them. All right. My next item is Spirograph. I saw this at Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be really cute to bring on the plane. Holly could use it too. And you could create fun designs, it looks like.
Fun designs
with these spirals, and I know it's something like you spiral them around and stuff. I thought that would be cool for the plane. And Holly.
Mini ears! So Disney's the game of the spirit.
Model them.
Yeah, they need Mickey ears, of course. My dad wants Mickey ears.
No, Daddy doesn't want Mickey ears. You don't need to do that.
Silly.
My next item. I have a notebook and a pen. I've been using this a lot to plan all kinds of stuff. Like I planned rides in a fast pass. I already fast passed, obviously.
She does the work, but I help her do the work.
It used to be my diary.
And also she could plan on the plane too.
Yeah, or I could just doodle.
She did restaurants yesterday.
I love this. It is from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, and it's just a tropical notebook. It says totally tropical and it has a pineapple. It's from TJ Maxx, and it was only $3.
TJ Maxx, yeah. It kind of my turn.
Right.
I brought a book. I love Ruby Jones series.
I like books too.
It's easy to read for me. Yeah, and it's just good. She's funny. She's so funny.
Alright, my next item I have a mini Rubik's Cube. I thought this could be cool to solve the Rubik's Cube on the plane. Right. And it's pastel, and I got it when I was booed on my birthday. The person, I'm not going to say names, but the person gave us so much extra stuff. Probably because it was our birthday. Booed. Because our birthday's like 10 days away from Halloween.
I pick.
Or 11. Yeah. Holly's next item is?
My water! So I have a squirty water bottle, but Nemo and Dory, blue. Also, I have this on it for some reason. Like a squirt.
Don't squirt me in the face, even though it doesn't have water in it. Alright, so my next item.
I have gum. I know.
You need gum.
You need gum
I'm
for the
sharing
plane.
gum with my mom.
How about Bubba bubblegum tape?
I'm sharing gum with
Because
my
it's so
mom.
much. I don't like it, and it keeps falling out of the dispenser.
I'm sharing my gum with my mom because
I
we
don't
like
know
the same flavor gum, mint.
All right, Hal, I think they're really interested.
Oh,
All right, next.
Oh,
Holly's next item is.
a fidget spinner. I love them. They're really
I'm
cool
supposed
to
to
play
bring
with.
my fidget spinner.
Look.
Actually, I think I'm gonna bring my fidget spinner. I'll show you it at the end.
It's like really cool metallic. We got from my grandma
I lost my metallic.
on Mother's Day.
All right, so my next item. Do I only have a couple more?
Yeah.
Is
So we have to try and pick
headphone
up.
and earbuds.
Next time you need it, I'm getting it from the
I know the plane provides, but I know they make
Yeah, I'm
it really
getting the
junky.
provided one.
So I'm
Well, she's
using
found
these. They
one.
came with like an MP3 player I have, but I think they work still.
You think of course
And it's cute to watch hook up to the TVs or to listen to music or watch YouTube. I think these would be convenient. Holly, what is your?
A
Is
Dalmatian!
this your last item?
Yep.
I have
Here's
a couple
a
more.
Dalmatian Zoom Zoo. We were here to play 100 round Dalmatians. My mom thought it was so cute, so we got a little Dalmatian.
And they're from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree guys has Zoom Zooms.
This
Make
real
sure you get them.
Zoom Zoom. Get them. They're
Real brand
so
Zoom
quality.
Zooms.
He loves the Dollar Tree.
And then I have
So
sunglasses.
I'm gonna put mine away now.
My pool.
I put mine away.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
My pool
What
has
happened?
something called Poolapalooza,
It's
and
a
they
fun
gave out
party.
sunglasses.
But
It's actually really cute. They're like blue
They gave us
scale,
the
and
glasses. You know.
They say Poolapalooza.
Poolapalooza.
And
They
my
open
final item, I have my mouse here. I'm gonna ask Holly to hold the camera.
Let me see this, okay.
Guys,
Here, she's gonna model up mine.
there. Hopefully you guys can see me. These are my mouse ears. They are black glitter and they have a pink bow. And my mom has the same ones as Holly, by the way.
Yeah, my mom.
Okay, I can actually see
Me and
myself
my
there.
mommy have two.
Um,
But no, I didn't like it for some. I don't know why.
I don't like them really.
And she says she thinks so. Julia.
Here.
And she doesn't like
Now I'll show you off the camera.
Yeah, super cute.
Well, actually, look.
And let me show you my fidget spinner.
Oh, yeah, but she
Since I think I'm gonna bring that because fidget toys are so fun that I think I'm gonna bring it. My fidget spinner is cool. My grandma got it from somewhere, and
But I thought she did ShopRite.
I wasn't she got it from ShopRite, huh?
There's a nice grandma. Our beanie boos are here.
All the other Beanie Boos are here.
Yeah.
Oh, a little glamour. Glamour is so cute.
Anyway, so as I'm walking out,
Oh, cool.
and spinning my fidget spinner, remember to like, subscribe.
Oh.
One more item I'm bringing. This will be for both of us because Holly's not going to bring electronics.
Yeah.
My phone.
I don't
And this
know
is
what
my
to
mom's
find.
old phone, so I can't text or call her. Or call or email, but
But she has games.
it's good for games and YouTube. So yeah.
Games
And I have my mom's old
I might
phone.
be nosy. Look over, sir. Like I'll be
You're allowed to use it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, especially you guys, my cousins. But anybody else too is welcome to
Cousins on
subscribe.
the channel.
And by the way, let's vote in the comments down below. Would you rather see another LPS Beanie Boo or another Survivor intro? Because I know my last LPS video is really what got me like 5 subscribers. And it was so exciting, and I just want more subscribers. 1 more subscriber and I'll do a celebration. 10 subscribers.
And we will give you.
And we're not going to give you anything.
we
but
wanna.
We'll do a celebration video. Maybe I'll show you bloopers or something.
What? What bloopers?
Fails. Anyway, remember to like,
Wait, what did they show you?
subscribe,
Wait, what? What did they show
like
you?
fails. I don't know how to do that, but I'll show you something cool. So yeah, like,
Something
subscribe,
funny.
comment down below. Play with slime. That's
Let's try
dried
that.
out.
Well, half is not. Side. I played this before.
Bye.